We're here today at Dysons Buses in Shepparton, Victoria. Dysons have been in business for over 70 years throughout Victoria and have over 600 buses and coaches. They're one of Melbourne and also country Victoria. Major operators. Having a clean and presentable fleet is of utmost importance for Dysons Buses. Hello, I'm Lester Sharples, one of the directors of Levanta and Hartex. This facility here at Shepparton is one of their latest facilities, just being constructed. And we've recently installed a Christ Nova 3-brush automatic rollover bus wash system. It also includes a high pressure under chassis wash for washing the underside of the vehicle pre-inspection and in maintenance. Also included in the system is a fully automatic recycle system to recycle all the water whilst washing the buses here on site. The Christ Auto Bus Wash system is one of the world's renowned systems, manufactured and engineered in Germany and imported into Australia by Levanta, fully supported and backed up by an in-house service and after-sales team.